Okay, make him laugh.
Get Nick, Peter. Get Nick to hear this.
Nick.
Okay, do it again.
Ty. Are you taking a picture of him? We haven't taken pictures of Alpad.
You just want to take a picture of his hair.
I know. I need to preserve it. Oh, we're going to be better tomorrow.